was a great day. I love it. This is an amazing community.
Yeah.
Yes. Bitcoin community in Nairobi. Great potential.
Yeah,
it's gonna be huge.
Yeah, it's gonna be huge. Bitnob in Africa, Bitnob in Kenya.
Solve so many problems. That's exactly what we need.
Problem solvers.
Exactly. Apps built for Africa by Africans. That's the only way you do it.
Welcome.
Mastermind. I'm your favorite Bitcoin toxic maximalist, Kenya.
You know, one of the ways I like to pride Bitnob is when I have conversations, I feel like the apple of the ecosystem.
My name is Bernard. I love to describe myself as a Bitcoin missionary. So everyone has something that they want to do with their lives, and for me, I decided that I want to dedicate it to working on Bitcoin.
Every single thing that you can do today on Bitnob, you can build with our APIs and offer the service to anybody in any country that you want. And that way, it's your business. You can set the price you want to use for people to make transactions on your platform. You can set your spread, whatever you like, you can make your income the way you choose. So, I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you about how you can make money on Bitnob. So see you next time.
Thank you so much for being a great team player, and we have this for you. Woo! So it says, a rock spirit, a gentleman's touch, distracting the status quo. And if you look at Bernard's profile, he normally calls himself a rock spirit and a gentleman at the same time. So that's why we have that for
I'm fine.
How was the experience today?
The experience today was really great, and I really enjoyed the Bitnob in Kenya.
Did you learn anything?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
Especially the end.
What this application, as it says, is bringing a lot of inclusion into the African markets, a lot of promoting crypto and Bitcoin as well in the process.
Wow, that's so innovative of them.
Yeah.
The Bitnob team from Nigeria, it was amazing to learn from them. The audience was amazing. Everyone was so lively, and it was fun hanging out with you guys. And also the games, everything was just a 10 over 10 minus nothing.